Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from different websites to your Shopify. Basically, you can import products from anywhere, any website you can find online. You can easily import products to your own Shopify store from that website. It can be e-commerce website like Amazon or AliExpress or another Shopify store or a website that is not known. Okay, you can easily import products to your Shopify. Now I'm going to be showing you guys two apps that will help you do this. The first app is going to be paid, but it has like free plan, and the second app is also paid, but the free plan is like 7 days or more. Okay, so it's going to be enough for you to import all the products to your Shopify store, and you can cancel the subscription so that the app is not going to charge your card. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step, and then after that I'm going to show you guys how you can import products from any website. Like, I'm going to start with the first app. Okay, go to the dashboard of your Shopify store and click on settings and click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top. Now after that, guys, you want to download this app. It's called Importify. Okay, now this is the app. It's called Importify Easy Dropshipping. Click on it and make sure you install it. Okay, now I already installed it, that's why it says here open. Now you need to click on install and click again on install, and after you install the app, you want to open a new tab, okay, and search for Importify extension so that we can download the Importify extension on our Chrome. Now just need to click on the first result, click on Import Products Importer, like Importify Products Importer, and click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Alright, now we have already we have successfully downloaded the Importify extension. Now you want to click on the extensions icon in the top. Make sure you pin the extension in the top. Click on this pen icon here button, and then what you guys need to do now is you want to go to the website where you want to import products to your Shopify store. Now I'm going to use, for example, Shein as an example. Okay, now I'm going to search for Shein.com, and I'm going to import products from, sorry, I didn't type it correctly, so I'm going to search for Shein. Alright, now I'm going to find a random product so that I can show you guys how you can import products using this app. Okay, so I'm going to import, for example, this one. So you just need to open the product page, and then you want to click on the extension in the top, and then click on import now. That's it. Now after that, you want to click on add to store here. As you can see, add to your store, and that's it. It says here adding product to your store. It takes a few seconds for this product to appear on your Shopify store. Now I'm going to go to my Shopify store, and I will be able to find this exact product on my Shopify store. Now this is it. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to click on view on online store, and this is the product. Okay, now keep in mind this app that I'm showing you here, like the where we have imported the app that will help us import products from Shein to Shopify. It doesn't work with like unknown websites like your own e-commerce website. Okay, it's not going to work, but the second app is going to work anywhere. Okay, basically anywhere, any e-commerce website. It can be your own e-commerce website, it can be another Shopify store, it can be whatever. Okay, now you want to click on settings, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, click on Shopify App Store, and you just download this app. It's also free, so it's not like free forever. It has like a free plan, which is more than enough. As you can see, free trial available. Now you want to click on the Robo Product Importer, click on install, and then you want to then click again on install. Okay, alright, now after, guys, you click on install, then after you are here, click on approve. Of course, you need to click on approve, and then you want to click on get extension. Do the exact same thing here. As you can see, install our free Chrome extension. Click on get extension. As you can see, make sure you pin you make sure you download it. click on add to Chrome, click on add the extension, and make sure you pin it in the top. Okay, click on this extensions icon in the top, as you can see, right? Then pin it in the top here. Click on this pin icon. That's it. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to go now to any website, like it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to, for example, go to Amazon, or you can just go to another e-commerce website, or your own e-commerce website if you have one. And I'm going to try to import this product, for example. Now after you are on the product page, you want to click on the Robo app in the top, click on add to Shopify. It will take you guys to this page where if you want to make some changes to the product before pushing it to your Shopify store. So as you can see, you can click on description, you can click on images, you can also make some changes to a description before pushing this product to your Shopify. And after you are finished, click on import. Okay, here the fourth like here, click on import, click on add product to Shopify, and this exact product is going to be imported successfully to your Shopify. Now I'm going to go to my Shopify. I'm going to click on products, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, this is the product. We have imported the product successfully to our Shopify store. So if this one helped you, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments what questions you have, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. If this one helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next one. Like I said, drop a like and let me know in the comments any questions you have.